Hey guys, Lena here, and today I want to tell you what I got rid of in November and what I purchased last month. So I hope it would be interesting, and so let's get on with it. So I think I'll start with my purchases because there were few of them, very few of them, and I'm really happy about it because I think I bought only what I really needed. So the first thing I bought was this bag. It's a simple one, and I really needed a small bag, and unfortunately I got rid of a lot of stuff like clothes and bags. I gave it to charity, and I cannot show it to you, but anyways, I had a small bag and it was very old, and when I looked at it again I realized that I just couldn't in my best conscience really wear it, so I decided to buy a new one, and this is very inexpensive and very good bag, so it really suits me. It looks huge because it has a lot in it. It's like everything I need, and I will link down below. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I've made a video about this bag on my Russian channel. I'll link this link to you. Maybe you'll just watch it. There are no subtitles yet, but if you want to see the contents of my bag, please tell me in the comments, and I'll make an additional video for you. So another purchase of mine was this pair of very warm leggings. It's a winter type, and I was looking for it for a long time because I live in a harsh climate, so in winter it can be -20, -25 degrees Celsius, and so I was looking for a pair of leggings to replace my old ones because my old ones, I think they are maybe 6 or 7 years old. When I say it out loud, it's really it sounds really embarrassing, but they are still okay, relatively okay. They don't look brand new. They look a little bit worn out, so I really needed a new pair. So what I like about these ones in particular, that they have on the outside they have this cotton-like material, so it's very soft, and on the other side it's like a fake fur material, so it's also very soft material, and I really like it, and I was looking for exactly something like that because my previous ones, they are like that. The only issue with them is that they are very tight. They are okay on me, but sometimes I wish they weren't too tight. I hope I'll get by. I hope I will not get bigger anytime soon. It would be a real shame. But anyways, I do enjoy this pair, and I'm looking forward to using it. So, and my last purchase, the third purchase of November 2021, was this portable hard drive. I was researching a bit about it because, as you know, I've started YouTube channels like less than a month ago, and I also have Russian channel, and I've noticed that my drive space really became limited on my laptop, and I needed some extension to my drive, so it was impossible to store all the data, all my videos, because normally my videos are maybe like 700 megabytes long or something like that, so it's quite a lot, and I don't know, I make videos on my laptop webcam, so if you are really a predisposed by my quality. I'm sorry, but I don't even know if I would to make these videos on a professional camera, how much would be one video. So anyways, I bought this hard drive, and I'll show it to you. I still keep it in the box, though I know it will be much compact storing it otherwise. But I've read a lot of comments that although hard drives are relatively good to store all your data, they are a bit fragile. So if you break them, you will lose it all. So anyways, maybe it's my OCD talking right now. I don't even take it from its plastic bag because a port I need is here, so to connect. I don't really like the port because it is maybe you can see it's not very unified. So if something is to happen with my cable, well, I would need to buy a new one. And I keep a warranty with me because this exact hard drive, it has 3-year warranty, so I think it's a good one. And it has a very small cable. I don't need a longer one. It's totally fine, so I store it like it was intended to be in the store. And so far so good. I really enjoyed it, and I think it was a good idea to buy it because it's very fast, and it's 1 terabyte long, and I think, I don't know about the speed, but it's pretty fast. I think it copied about 60 gigs of video material in less than 10 minutes. I think it's okay. For me, it's okay. I'm not in a hurry, so it's a good one. So anyways, coming to the things I got rid of. It's a lot of stuff that is still in my apartment, and I really want to get rid of it anytime soon. So I'll show it to you. It's a lot of stuff, as you can see, a lot, and it's very miscellaneous stuff, and I'll try to donate it maybe all at the same time, because we don't have these special organizations where you can go and donate everything. We have only some like Facebook groups or social media groups where you can post information about the things you want to donate, and some people may contact you and take all your stuff. So it's not very convenient, and I think I'll talk about it in another video about my experience, and maybe it will be valuable for you as well. So to start, I have this pillowcase. It was a real mistake to buy it because the color is fading, so it's you cannot just wash it with other linens, and it's fading pink, I think. So it's not comfortable to wash it every time by hand. And also I think when something is fading, when color goes to water, it also goes to your face if you slip on it. So I don't really like the idea, so this will go. Also, recently I've decluttered a lot of papers. It was very old utility bills. So normally in Russia you must store your utility bills for 3 years, and what I've decluttered was maybe 15 years old. So It was a lot of paper, and what saddens me a lot that previously, maybe in 2002, 2003, we had a very small piece of paper with all our utilities in it, so we paid only one bill. And now we have to pay six, I think it's 6 or 7 different bills, and they all come on big A4 sheets of paper. So uh, I don't need it. I don't like it because I pay everything online. I don't need the exact like physical paper. But in our country, it's very difficult to get rid of this stuff. I mean, it's very difficult to negotiate with the companies providing services that you don't need the actual bill to pay it. So anyways, so I have this folder with this clear, I don't know how it's what it's called, like clear small files in it. They are very crumbly. I don't really know if someone um, really needs them, so if not, I'll just declutter them. I'll just get rid of them. So next up, there are 2 cosmetic bags. And you know, the story with them is that every time, so at first, they are this bag is very dirty, and I came across it, so I realized that I needed to wash it. So the stains, they didn't come off. So unfortunately, I decided that I don't really need a dirty cosmetic bags because I don't have a lot of cosmetics anyways. When I decluttered it, when I got rid of it, like when I put it in my decluttering bin, so nothing dramatical had happened. So, and the second one, this is very sad because I like this style because it doesn't have distinguished shape, so it can fit a lot of stuff and it can fit less stuff. But unfortunately, I also decided to wash it, and so it has some glittery stuff on the surface, like this glittery material like powder glued material. So, and it is becoming to shade, so it is awful. Also, I found these 2 it's like clothes clips, I don't know, brooches, and they are very old. I think they are maybe 30 years old. Oh my god. Yes, interesting findings. So second things are my 2 wallets, old wallets, and actually I don't use wallet anymore because I don't have a lot of cash on me, and almost never you need lots of coins, because if you need some cash, you take only paper notes with you, and no coins, because everywhere you can pay with your credit card. And I feel this for me this is more comfortable because I hate the sight of all dirty money, all dirty coins, and for me it's like, I know that maybe paying cash sometimes it's better. It minimizes your money trace, but anyways, it is what it is. So I don't need them anymore. They are too big because now I have very small bags, and so I get rid of them. Also, I had a set of very nice candy in this tin box. I think it looks pretty nice, but I don't need it, so I'll declutter it. The next thing is this relatively beautiful shell, but I was keeping it in my bathroom, but I realized that it had a lot of mold in it, so and I doubt it will come off, so I think I'll get rid of it because I don't want to have mold on my walls and in my lamps as well. So okay, next up are these 2 fans. This one was a present from Sicily. I don't like it. Honestly, I hated it from the moment I saw it because it's plastic. It's so So it doesn't have any hint of style in it. So, and this one, it was very nice. It's made of wood and very nice thin material, and I think it's Japanese, but it's broken, and we never use it, like never ever. So I've decided to get rid of it. Also, I have some random stuff that I never use. And I have, since I've decluttered a lot of photos, I have a lot of old photo albums, and I think someone will be interested in them as well. And I think I'll make a video how I decluttered maybe 80% of my photos. So what next? I have this book, How to Make Pizza in Italian, about Italian pizza, and no one is really that into it in pizza, like in our family. So maybe someone will enjoy it. Okay. Next up is a lot of random cosmetic perfumes, samples. I just don't want to unpack it. A glass with Italian herbs and salt. No one really liked it in our family, so it goes. Another very small wallet. Then there is a piece of hand knitting machine. I think I've never used it, and no one has ever used it in our family. It's I don't think it's really worth the space in our home. So that's pretty it. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments down below what do you think about my decluttering and purchasing stuff. Maybe if you have some questions, also fire away. Please subscribe if you like my channel. See you soon.